Hi everyone, Said It Are You Cars. Today we've got this lovely little Volvo C30. This one's a 1.6 D2 R design. It's finished in black sapphire, 66,000 miles, loads and loads of service history, nice spec, great condition. It's got the anthracite wheels, full R design body kit, sunroof, Bluetooth, heated seats. So it's even got the rear parking sensors. Very straight car. Very small scuff there. These D2s are the 6-speed. I think they're £30 a year to tax or £35 a year to tax. Usually cheap on the insurance as well. As I say, it is very straight. This one's got the keyless drive, so keyless entry, keyless start. Nice rare option. It is a facelift, as you can see. It's even got a new Volvo badge, they're quite common for fading. But yeah, overall, very tidy, drives really well. Comes with an MOT and service. In the boot, we've got the hard load cover with that little postage hole. The cover can come out if you want. Or you torque it in your tyre inflator there. Oh. That wasn't clipped back in properly, but there we go. I will put that back right. It's got the R design interior, which is the cream and the black. Works very well with the black exterior. And the seats, I'm just trying to show you on the camera, are in really nice condition. Seats in the back are all good. You've got the Isofix and the centre armrest as well. Armrest is all good. Got a 3-spoke steering wheel, which is multifunction. 66,681 miles. I'll just find this little gizmo, which lives in the ignition if you want to use the keyless start. The key is in my pocket. So there you go, you can see keyless is working, but you do have to have that gizmo, which we've got. So no warnings on the dash, all starts very nicely. You've got the climate control with the heated seats. We've also got Bluetooth telephone and your CD FM radio, and if I can find it, there you go. Also got the Bluetooth audio streaming, which not many of these have, so another nice feature. Your cup holders down here in the centre. That is about it. Oh, your cruise control just there, look. Nice little car. Very rare to find with this sort of mileage. As I say, stacks of service history. It will come serviced again and with an MOT. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.